Ma'am Claire, ilan yung inom mong Hemohim? Gusto kong malaman. Kasi 6 na yung ininom ko eh. Yung energy ko, parang kulang pa rin. Okay, yan. So may I ask everyone, nagkape na po ba kayo? Bakit kaya, no? Because this next presentation will get a little bit serious po. No? So it will be a vision presentation from me, of course, Sharon Rose Master, Dixie Lin Yun, all the way from, kala nyo Korea, no? Okay, all the way from Baguio CAP Center. May I ask po, please raise your hands, sino po dito ang nag-decide na gawing business si Atomy? Wow! I'm loving the crowd. Okay, ayan. So, very nice po at gusto nyong gawin si Atomy business. Now, may isa akong question sa inyo, sa mga gusto pong gawing business si Atomy. Doon sa effort po na binubuhos nyo kay Atomy, doon po sa mga everyday na ginagawa nyo, do you think it's enough to reach our goal, which is Imperial Master? Huwag nyo munang sagutin. Ayan, so pag-isipan nyo po muna. And I will help you to answer that one, okay, with my presentation. Ayan. So before I will jump into my discussion, no, I would like you to put or read this one with your heart, no? Basahin po natin. Do not limit the Lord's plans over your life. Tama po? Basahin ko po yung nasa baba. Stop putting limits to what God can do over your life. Our God is beyond capable to do what you're asking Him to do. But the question will always be, are you seeking Him first? Are you putting your trust in Him and not on your own abilities or favor from men? It's easy to settle on things we are comfortable with, especially when we do not depend on God completely. So today, ask God, Lord, help me to not limit your purpose in my life. Lead me to your ways. Okay po ba? Okay. So ngayon, my presentation won't be sugar-coated, but it will not be very straightforward, no? That it will hurt your feelings. Pero sometimes, dapat kurutin din minsan. It will be very I will focus on being adaptive. Okay po ba? Now, my presentation will be entitled The Atomy Business Blueprint 1.0. Oh ha, 1.0 yan. Hopefully, may 2.0. Okay, so sabi dito, serious steps to serious success. And I hope na before or when I was starting Atomy, sana nalaman ko to. But then I will share it to you, especially sa mga bago po, no, who decided to do Atomy. Yung mga secrets or yung mga kailangan nating gawin para mas mabilis ang ating business. Okay po ba? Yes. Next. Ayan. So, the process of preparation. Ngayon, I would like to share this to you para po may matutunan kayo sa experience ko nung nag-join ako kay Atomy. Para hindi po kayo mahirapan. Now, I joined Atomy June 2017. Ay, ang tagal. Ang tagal naman yan. Joined Atomy, and then April 2021, I re-registered. Ay, bakit ganun? May 2022, rejoined the business. 2023, I was blessed with amazing partners. So, finally, this year, 2025, I became a Sharon Rose Master. And then soon, of course, I'm planning also para maging Star Master naman because it means my members will be promoted to Sharon Rose Masters. Okay, so we'll dig deeper into my experience, no? June 2017, saan po ako nag-start? I started by selling Atomy products in Paracelis Mountain Province. Narinig niyo na po ba yun? Paracelis, ang ganda ng name, no? Pero you know what? 7 hours po yung binabiyahe ko papunta dyan from Baguio. Bakit dun ka nagbenta? You know, because I have a member who is a direct seller, di ko alam magbenta. So, syempre, dumikit ako sa kanya, doon siya nagbebenta because marami daw pera doon sa Mountain Province, no? So, I went there. Okay, next, April 2018, that's my first sales mastership. Ilang months po yung pagitan? 11 months. Ang tagal. Unlike our members now, no, ang gagaling nila. Di ba? 1 month pa lang sales master na. So, you know, you can do this one. 2018 to 2019, I became a center head somewhere not in Baguio. Okay? And then this 2020 naman, alam niyo po kung ano yung nangyari, di ba? So, I came back to Baguio para alagaan ko naman yung Baguio members ko. But then, pandemic happened. March 2020, nag-lockdown po, tama? That's when it started to magkaroon ng lockdown. And then December 2020, kasi ayokong mag-stay lang sa bahay, no? I have to work. Hinahanap ng katawan ko. I was scammed by a member. Ngayon, that is very traumatic for me. Kasi ma'am, walang transportation, right? So I got stuck in Manila for 1 month. Walang transportation talaga. So I was stuck here in Manila for 1 month during pandemic. So that was very traumatizing for me. Ngayon nakabalik ako before mag New Year doon sa Baguio, and then January 2021, I found out that I was 3 months pregnant with my first boy po siya, ano. And then February 2021, dahil pandemic nga ma'am, ang hirap lumabas and risk my pregnancy, tama po? So what I did is I looked for a job. So I left Atomy, I looked for a job which is work from home, February 2021. And then 2022, August, resume of my Atomy business kasi may 1-year-old na yung aking baby. And then 2023 to 2024, God gave me amazing business partners, and then meron akong second baby noong 2024. Okay, so bakit ko po yan dinidiscuss? Para makita nyo po kung ano yung nangyari sa buhay ko during my Atomy journey. Makikinabang naman po kayo dito sa nakita nyong story ng life ko. Bakit? Kasi this one, I want you to look into this one para maiwasan nyo po, no, na gawin yung mga mistakes ko. Managing, so yung mga setbacks ko, no, managing a center too early. So this is from my experience only, no, hindi ko na sinasabing this is applicable for everyone because marami pong magaling mag-manage na center sa una pa lang. Pero me, parang hindi pa dapat ako nag-manage ng center. Next is having zero business knowledge. Sino po dito yung mga business owners po? May I see business owners ng before Atomy? May I see a raise of hand? Ayan. So may edge po kayo ma'am because you are knowledgeable about doing business, right? Ako ma'am, wala. Zero. And then, yun nga, na-scam ako. And then number of members does not equate the number of follow-ups I was doing. So ang bilis kong magpa-member pero wala akong ginagawang follow-up. So kahit sobrang dami ng members mo, walang follow-up, anong nangyayari? Wala, zero. Walang member na nagpa-purchase or doing repurchase. Next is no duplication. Then, nagma-micromanage din ako. What does that mean, ma'am? Kasi mas bata ako, mas alam ko yung ginagawa ko, no, mas techie ako. Lahat ginagawa ko, even the simple email, ako nagpapa-member, right? Nagre-register for my members, which is wrong. And then, inconsistencies. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman doon, no? Inconsistent. Kasi I left Atomy how many times po? Multiple, actually, hindi lang po siya once. And then, mismanaged time or poor time allocation. Okay. Ngayon, ma'am, from this one, I came up with a resolution. But of course, hindi lang po siya resolution. Dapat meron din po siyang action para equivalent nito is may speed po yung business natin. Ayaw nyo naman po sigurong umabot ng ilang years yung Atomy business nyo, right? So I hope this one will help you out. Train your mind or mindset shift. Then second, master time management, skills or potential assessment, build a system with Atomy within the Atomy system, then build a skill set. Sabi ni CEO, kahit hindi ka skilled, no? But you have to learn the skill set while doing Atomy. And then consistency and the last po. Yan yung pinaka-importante, no? Focus. Okay, I hope you're learning. Ayan, so as you can see, ito po yung isa sa mga Imperial Master natin. Sino po yung mga nag-attend last time ng Success Academy? Okay, ayan. So congratulations ma'am, no? Nakita nyo si Imperial Kim Song-il. Mahilig po sa golf yan, no? Okay, so ito po yung dashboard niya na pinakita niya. Kung naalala nyo po, no? Nakikita nyo po ba? Ayan. So I want you to ponder on this. Kasi tignan nyo ma'am, Sales Master, ilang beses? 1 time. Diamond Master, 2 times. Sharon Rose Master, ilan po? 2 times. But then, sa Star Master, wala pa kasi silang sa Star Master condition. So, sa Star Master, ma'am, basahin po ninyo, ilan po? 56 times. Royal Master, 157. Crown Master, 158 times. So kanina, no, may present din si Ma'am Claire. But then this one, nauna kasing mag-Imperial si Imperial Kim Song-il, yung total earnings niya approximately sa 16 years niya kay Atomy is how much? 1 billion pesos, ma'am. Imagine that one. Okay. So I hope, ma'am, no, if that's not yet enough, no, we can interview other successful leaders. But then, this is already enough for me kasi nakita ko, nakausap ko si Imperial. He earned that one. Alangan namang magsinungaling siya. Okay? Next. Ayan. So ito po yung isa doon sa sinabi kong resolution. Train your mind or magkaroon ka ng mindset shift. So ano ba yung mindset shift na yan? So, from scarcity to abundance. Ngayon, ma'am, alam natin, no, negative, positive, minsan hindi natin sineseryoso, but then in Atomy, you really need this one. You have to change your mind from scarcity to abundance. Yung iba, ma'am, gifted na meron na silang abundant mindset. However, not everyone have. Like for example, ma'am, for me, I have scarcity mindset when I started because I was born poor. I don't know na may mga abundance pala sa environment ko because noon, di ba, anak, wala pa tayong pambili ng ganito, no? Nag-ano pa ako nun sa tuition ko, anong tawag doon? Promissory note, mga ganon. So, yun yung nakalakhan kong mindset, scarcity. But then in Atomy, while doing Atomy, if you don't have that one, you can develop that one. No, abundant mindset. You can also learn from reading. Ito ma'am, nagpapatunay. Totoo po yan, you have to read, watch videos related to businesses or the Atomy business. And then, ito ma'am, wag po kayong mag-miss ng any meetings as much as possible or seminar. Okay po ba? So palakpakan niyo po yung mga sarili niyo, no? Because you attended our one-day seminar. Next, ayan. So I want to share this one kasi parang hindi na masyadong nabivisit. Tama ba? Or you always visit this one? We have Channel Atomy that we can visit and watch amazing videos. Nung nag-i-start ako, ma'am, hanggang 3 a.m., ma'am, kasi wala pa akong baby noon. 3 a.m., pinapanood ko po yan. Okay? And then, besides that one, no, about Atomy, we can also watch other videos of successful people, which is, for example, ma'am, isi-share ko yung secret ko yan, ha? Shinare ko na. So I hope you will try to watch videos from Myron Golden. Kasi siya yung isa na nakatulong sa mindsetting sa akin. Okay, so train your mind. And then also, ito yung gusto ko, sa train your mind naman, learn the art of contesting. Kasi in Atomy, yes, we have to cater all of the people that we know, but then, alam niyo po ba yung isang secret, no? Para mas mabilis yung ating business, is to target networkers or business owners. Kailangan po yan dito sa business natin. Why? Because they already know how to do the business. Mas madali po yun, no? Looking for the pearls or the diamonds na. Tama po? Okay, so dapat alam nyo kung paano i-contest yung company natin versus their company. Okay, so this one, I have a checklist that you can copy or do. Simple lang po siya. You can add some, pero sabi niya dito, does your company charge fees while Atomy is free for life? Are your products overpriced or like Atomy's absolute quality at absolute price? Simple lang po siya, pero you know what? The impact of that sa person na yan, mag-iisip po siya. So, i-compare niya ngayon kung ano yung company niya versus Atomy. Okay? So, yan po, pwede po kayong mag-search online or do your own or take a screenshot of that one, no, that you can use, lalo na sa mga nag-start. Kasi ito po yung ginamit ko when I run Sharon Rose Master. Checklist to convert so besides networker, no, the successful and wealthy people. Kasi ma'am, yung mga yan, minsan, hindi na natin sila nilalapitan. Bakit? Yung nasa isip natin, may pera naman na sila. Hindi na nila kailangan si Atomy, tama po? Pero you know what? Bakit sa ibang country, no, may mga rich people, ginagawa pa rin si Atomy. Diba? Bakit kaya? So now, you have to look into this, sabi niya. Do they have time, freedom? Is their income truly residual? Baka naman hindi, no? Hindi nila maiwan yung business nila. Kasi kung iiwan nila, walang kita. Can their business survive without them? Do they have a global business like Atomy? Yung sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Claire, wala. Si SM nga, di ba? Hindi pa siya ganun ka-global. Is their current business recession-proof? Paano pag nagkaroon, God forbid, pero nagkaroon ulit ng parang, kailangan nating magstay sa bahay natin? Are they maximizing leverage? Are they open to new opportunities? Are they in a high-stress business? Do they believe in health as well? Di ba ma'am, si Atomy na-enjoy natin? Di ba? Nakaka-enjoy gawin si Atomy compared sa kanila. Very stressful. Okay, so yan po yung pwede ninyong sabihin sa kanila. Okay, from that, no, sa mind setting na yan, no, we also have mastering time management. Of course, kamusta po yung mga nanay dyan? Taas po natin, hi! Okay, alam natin, lalo na pag maliliit pa yung mga bata, yung kids natin, no, forever tayong magiging nanay. So we have to manage our time, paghatid, pagsundo, pagluto ng pagkain nila. Okay, so I got this one from Google that you can also keep in mind, no, para makatulong sa business natin. Gusto nyo bang gawin si Atomy na you're doing it blindly? Kinakapa mo, hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung pinupuntahan mo. Kahit andyan yung sponsor mo, it's your business. Okay? So keep your time in check. Take breaks in between. Kasi pag pagod ka at ginagawa mo ma'am si Atomy, wala ding kwenta kasi hindi siya productive. Next, plan in advance. Di ba pag nagcha-challenge tayo ma'am, nakaplano yan? Set correct goals. Organize your task. Eliminate distractions. Avoid multitasking. Yan po yung weakness ko kasi ako multitasking, no? Kung mayat-mayat may ginagawa, no? Hindi natatapos yung ginagawa. Meditate and exercise. Kailangan din po natin, of course, our health, no? And then prioritize tasks. And then, ito po yung nakakalimutan natin. Delegate. Or ginagawa nyo, ako lang po yung nakalimot, no? Because weakness ko rin po yan. You have to delegate tasks. Kasi mahirap yung pag andyan ka, may sales, tapos pag wala ka, wala. Next. Ayan, so ano po yung ginagawa ko, no? I use journaling, yung tawag nila doon, no? So yan po yung notebook ko, no, na nilalagay ko lahat dyan yung details ng ginagawa ko. Every day. Bakit? Nakarelay ka ba sa, sa brain cells mo? Bonggang-bongga ba yung paglaklak natin ng alpha plasma? Okay, ito kasi ma'am, pwede nating balikan. Kasi don't rely sa brain cells mo, no, or sa memory mo. So what you do, ilagay mo yung date, sino yung finalo up mo for that day? Sino yung minute up mo? Na-explain mo ba yung marketing plan? Meron ba siyang order? Meron ba siyang feedback? Lahat po ng details, kahit hindi po mahaba, no, yung details na important, no, i-jot down nyo po doon sa notebook nyo. Are you still with me? Kasi kung hindi, no, pag na-miss nyo to, mahihirapan kayo gawin si Atomy. Kasi ako ma'am, hindi ko to alam noon. I'm just doing Atomy blindly. Hindi ko alam tama ba. No, I'm going the right path. Okay, next is ito. Set a timeline, ma'am. Sa mga hindi pa po master, no, you set a timeline. Especially, gamitin ninyo yung life scenario. May purpose po yan. It's very powerful Most especially that the successful people always emphasize na may power sa pagsusulat. Okay, ako pasaway ako nun kasi nagre-rely ako sa laptop and ano, pero hindi, dapat isulat mo. So pag sinulat mo yan, ang gawin mo, mag-reverse engineer ka. Ano yon? Okay, so for this week, ito yung gagawin ko on a daily basis to achieve paunti-unti si sales master. Ganun po siya. Okay? Matrabaho pero ito po effective, no? Because this one I did not do. Kaya nga 11 months before ako nag-sales master. Okay? Ayan. So besides that one, no, managing your time, you also have to assess the people you are working with. Tama po? Ayan. So mga masters natin, alam nila yan. Kasi minsan inaalagaan mo yung member mo na to kasi gusto mong tulungan. Pero ayaw niya nga, pinipilit mo, ayaw niya. So may sarili siyang timeline. Ngayon ma'am, you have to assess kung itong taong tutulungan ko ba deserves my help. Okay, so you have to learn how to identify or assess your members from consumers to business partners. Consumer lang ba to? Business partner lang ba to? Decoration lang ba ito? Mag-gray ba yun? Ayun, so hindi naman kailangan na kumbaga, i-entertain mo pa rin naman yung mga members kahit hindi po sila consumer because they have their own timeline. Huwag po kayong ma-high blood sa kanila, okay? Kasi meron silang own timeline sa paggawa kay Atomy. Next. Okay, besides that one, I want you to build a system within the Atomy system. Okay? Bakit? Yes, may system na po si Atomy, but you have to do your own system within the Atomy system. Hindi po taliwas sa Atomy system, within the Atomy system. Now, I have here a screenshot of my notebook. Di pala nakikita, no? But then what I do, recently lang po siya. I don't say na I'm perfect from the start, no? Recently lang siya. No, what I do, we have our center activities na for the week, no? Every day meron yan, morning meetings and whatnot, no? Pero yung sa atin kasi, yan. So what I did for September 1 to 6, 2025, September 1, Monday, i-limit ko yung leaders. Ginagawa na natin yan. Pero for those who are not doing it yet, you can do this one. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng workshop, 1 p.m., online purchasing, then registering online. Kasi yan mismo yung nami-miss din ng mga new members. September 2, product demo. Gusto ko may table na ganyan, no? I will bring out products for them to try. So meron akong nilagay na sample. At 3 p.m. naman yan kasi may center seminar kami. Then next, ABR course, you can also adapt that one. Ayan, or go 100. Lalabas po kayo, no? And then to meet people because you will be teaching them how to do Atomy kahit master na po kayo, Diamond Master, Charles Master, kailangan pa rin i-duplicate. And then September 4, ayan. Ayan, so mga nag-attend, meron akong bibigay na simple lang naman. Meron silang toothbrush, no? Parang pa-premyo lang sa kanila para panghikayat lang din for them to know about Atomy. So yan, September 5, follow-up day, potluck day, no? Pwede rin ganyan kasi mag-uusap-usap kayo with your members. Saturday, ayan, DIY facial and then purchase day. Yan yung gusto ko kasi kailangan sa Saturday mag-purchase sila kahit isang product ni Atomy. Okay, so ganun lang naman siya. Very simple lang siya. No? You can add more to this one. Okay, so besides that one, ma'am, no? I hope you're kayo sa akin, nakikiride. Oh, next is building a skill set or the skills required in this business, no? One is creativity. Alam ko, mga Pilipino po, madiskarte tayo. We have to show that to other lahi. Kasi dahil minsan sinasabi ng mga Pilipino, masakit sa akin pag narinig ko. Bakit mga Pilipino tamad, ganito, ganyan? No, madiskarte ang mga Pilipino, masipag pa sila. So we have to apply it in Atomy. This is your survival kit. Alam nyo na yan, how to be creative. Okay? Pag may problema, alam mong solusyonan. Next will be making offers, ma'am. Nagbibigay ba kayo, ma'am, ng offers sa mga taong nakakasalamuhan nyo on a daily basis? Offers, ma'am. Kahit anong offers about Atomy. Okay, so ganito. Tutulungan kitang labas tayo, mag-set tayo ng basta offer. Or for example, pag challenge time ninyo, ma'am, no? Magbigay ka ng offer sa kanila. Okay, mag-challenge kang sales master, ganito yung gawin natin. Ito yung i-offer ko, ito naman yung dapat sa'yo. Ganon siya. Mayroon kayong agreement. Ganon siya. So, making offers, so focus on adding value din. Huwag yung nararamdaman ng member mo na, ay, pakikinabangan lang ako nito. Because, ma'am, aalis at mag-i-stop yung member mo na yan kahit gusto niyang gawin si Atomy, maghahanap siya ng iba. Okay? Ng ibang line. So, dapat, you have to add value first. Follow-up expert. So, kailangan po nating maging follow-up expert. Now, I am training one member, ma'am, to do that one kasi that's my weakness. What she does is, on a daily basis, ma'am, grabe, ang sipag niya, no? She has an Excel, no? She printed it out. Ilalagay niya lahat ng details, the power, the personal PV, the group PV, nag-commission na ba, and whatnot. Ganun siya. Okay, so you have to be a follow-up expert. This one is for those who are not yet sales master or sales masters po. You have to be an expert. This one kasi Diamond Masters, they are leaders, team leaders. Sharon Rose Masters are what I call na strategist. Sa akin po, no, strategist po kasi. Ang Sharon Rose Master, kailangan nakafocus yan sa strategizing, no. And then, be calculative and strategic per situation. Calculative in a way, ma'am, na yung ginagawa mo ba may pinatutunguhan? Halimbawa, pag nag-uusap kayo, hindi lang ba siya chismis? Meron din. Ayun, di ba may ganun, sir? Ang sakit kasi minsan, no, pag nakikita yung member mo, nag-uusap sila, tapos papakinggan mo, ano pinag-uusapan nila? Sayang lang yung oras nila, ma'am. Di ba na andun? Tapos imbis na may uupo doon sa inupuan nila, sila lang yung nandun. Tama? So at least, ma'am, kahit nagchichismis kayo, meron kang ginagawang sales. Bumili siya ng kape, bumili siya ng toothpaste, toothbrush, ganun. Okay? Nakaka-relate po ang ating mga masters doon. So hindi lang kay hindi lang pala sa mga lahat po ng centers, no? Okay. So, be a problem solver next. Not a problem repeater. Ito yung pinakaayaw kong naririnig sa isang member na pag may sinabi ako na, ganto yung gawin mo. Alam mo yung nasa utak na niya agad, yung negative. Ma'am, walang ganto. Ma'am, sabi ko, oh my gosh, paano ka uusad sa pagiging master? Mag-isip ka, paano mo siya isosolve? Kung may problem, ma'am, ganito yung ginagawa ko kasi ganyan, medyo ganyan din po ako noon. No? Wala akong pero hindi ko sinasabi vocally. What I do is nag-iisip ako paano ko siya i-resolve. Mas maganda, ma'am, especially sa mga members, huwag niyo pong sasabihin yan sa mga sponsor niyo kasi pag once na nakita ng sponsor niyo yan, ay, hindi ito yung partner na hinahanap. Kung maghanap siya ng iba. No? You will miss your chance, no, of the support of your sponsor. Tama po? Okay, ayan. So, consistency. Anong oras na? Okay, consistency. Without this, you will always rebuild. Nakikita nyo, ma'am, yan. Doon sa Facebook ko, you can add me on Facebook. Ayan. So, I have this one, Go Meet 100, nung nag-start si CEO. Every day, ma'am, I try my best to meet 100, pero hindi nagiging 100. No, mga 10 plus, mga ganon. So, every day po na picture ko po yan, na ginawa ko. Nilagay ko doon sa album ko. Alam niyo po lahat ng andyan, iba-iba pong tao yan na may mga konti lang na nauulit. Nasaan sila ngayon? Wala! Wala. Tama no, sir. Okay, because walang follow-up at hindi ako consistent. Kasalanan ko po yun. 1 week lang po na absent kayo sa center, hindi kayo nakita ng consumer, mag-i-stop po sila. Kaya anong gagawin mo, ma'am? Mag-duplicate ka kung kailangan mong mag-absent. Na? Okay, and especially nung nagkaroon ako ng maternity leave, may leave pala ako, maternity leave, ma'am, ay sir, pagbalik ko, asan na yung mga members ko? Naglaho na silang parang bula. Okay, ganun po siya. Okay, so you need consistency. Give it 1 to 3 years, no, doing Atomy consistently. Huwag po kayong matulog kung kaya niyo po. Okay? So, ayun. So, the purpose of business is to create, from Brian Tracy po yan Brian Tracy. The purpose of a business is to create and keep a customer. All business activities must be focused on this central purpose. Why? Pag wala ka pong consumers, anong mangyayari, ma'am? Kahit master ka, wala kang consumer, hindi ka master. Okay? Wala kang kita, master, tapos walang you have to build the consumers po, no? That is the ano po, parang foundation of your business. So next naman ano tawag dito? Last but not the least, no? Focus. Basahin po natin to kasi it's very profound, no? Nabasa ko yan, nagsa-search ako ng magandang quotes, pero ito yung nakita ko, no? People think focus means saying yes to the thing you've got to focus on. But that's not what it means at all. Hindi daw yun. It means saying no to the 100 other good ideas that there are. You have to pick carefully. I'm actually as proud of the things we haven't done as the things I have done. Okay? So, isa po akong victim niyan. Charis, yan. Isa ako, kasi marami pong opportunity na dumarating sa akin. Okay? I am good. Hindi naman super good, no? I like computers, no? Nag-work ako sa isang computer, IT company. So, I love doing the computer techie, something like that, no? Pero, hindi ko siya ginagrab. Nakafocus ako. And then freelancing, nakaka-attract yun. Kasi you can earn up to 500,000 monthly, pero hindi ka na po matutulog. Yung health mo ang masasayang doon. Pero sabi ko, hindi. I have to focus on one thing na alam ko na panalo ako. Kay Atomy. Okay po ba yun? Yes, ayan. So, innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. I-memorize niyo po yan. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. Okay? So yun lamang po yung aking lecture resolution na maibabahagi sa inyo. I hope na sa 2.0, no, meron akong, or tawagin ulit ako ng HQ para mag-present doon sa 2.0. So I will leave you with this one. Matthew 6:33, but seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Okay po, so maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Aja!